Hey guys, we're live at 9:54, battling for Hans X-Wing Fighter. As seen, I got 16 spots, it would appear, and I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner on a Saturday night, an X-Wing night. There they are, 1 through 16. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5, as you know. We got an 11. We're golden. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Kenneth, round 1. Gary 2. Gary, other Gary 3. Other Gary 4. And 5. Ryan 6. And 7. Kenneth 8. Eric 9. Scott in the top spot for our next to last round, round 10 with number 4, which means our winner is Eric Nelson. And at number 6, congrats, Eric. Here's the official results. GRI KFL. Eric Nelson in at number 6 is the victor, which means I'm done. Or do knee there at 9:55 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Eric in at number 6. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.